Hey traders, how you doing? This is Greg McLeod from Elite Traders University, and guess what? I'm trading the London session. I actually put these trades on during Asia, and the setup looks really good. I actually went over to Facebook and I threw out a bone for you guys, so you can see what's going on and see if you can take part in this parity Pipalooza. And so we have the euro heading down toward parity with the US dollar, which means like one to one, almost like 1.0105. We are so close to parity, and so the euro is just dropping out of bed. The dollar is super strong, and this is July 11th, right? 11th of July. And London is one of the most liquid. In fact, just for $14,000 here, I got 30 pips. I think I'm gonna go ahead and take that 30 pips right there, right? And I'm gonna have a couple of them. I'm gonna leave one on. I'm just gonna take that one off too. Okay. So I'm gonna leave that one on, and right here, $180,000. Let's go to. Actually, today, $85,000 he made today, which is, the days haven't even started yet. If we want to look at like Sunday, like yesterday, and it was like 25,000. So, and that's yesterday meaning Sunday, today being Monday, and I'm letting this one run, and I might let it run for some more pippage. I'm up 30 pips, and I probably just want to go to bed, go to sleep, and just take my 30 pips and go home. And that's it, right? I'm out, I'm flat, I'm happy. And now today means we had a $100,000 day. $100,000, guys. That's a lot of money. For some people, it's a lot of money. It's okay, right? So what if you had a tenth of that? Or let's take a zero off of it. It's still a pretty good day. Say, if you want to learn how to do this, then you need to enroll in my masterclass. The masterclass will show you what I do, won't tell you how to do it. Now, you could spend years figuring out what to do, or I could save you a lot of time, and you can register for my course. Okay. Right now we're having a special right now where you can actually finance the course, and usually within a couple months you end up paying it off anyway. But it's not cheap, it's not free. This is not for everyone. But if you're not trading this way, you're probably losing. And if you're losing, then you might as well stop trading altogether. Maybe get another job or something, because this way is pretty darn consistent, and it's not available on YouTube. It's not free. It requires a significant investment. I had a guy that basically invested $15,000 in my course, and he made over $8.9 million. So you probably want to ask, well, what kind of businessman are you, Greg, to sell an $8.9 or $10 million system for $15,000? I never got another dime from him, which was okay, because the point was to help him get started. But I could have charged $50,000, he still would have been happy, right? So I'm just telling you guys, it's not $50,000, it's not $15,000, it's just $10,000, $9,997. If you are interested, if you have okay credit, and you want to finance it over 3 years, and you end up paying it off early anyway, just to get the information so you can change your life. Okay? So give me, you can email me, greg@elitetradersuniversity.com or greg@elitetradersu.com, and let me know. Let me know, if you want to pursue some coach funding option, or you just want to slam down the credit card and just go. I mean, I don't know anyone is doing this. No one's showing you this live. I'm calling the shots, telling you what the trades are, and you can see that this stuff works, right? Let me go to the Facebook group and actually how you guys are doing. Seeing if you can. I post stuff and got people don't even take a look at it. So I popped the trade in there. It says, anybody making money in the euro? No one. Crickets. I said, hey trader, I'm short euro, 1.0139. My take profits 1.0089. And stop loss 1.0014. John Contenbile, great real estate agent in California. If you need one, talk to John. Can you buy a home, sell a home? John is your man. I think he is in the Riverside area, I believe. But anyway, well, I put this in here an hour ago, so I gave you a heads up 1 hour before, and also you can see the results of that, right? So there you go for today. Yo, sell. I'm out. I'm flat, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, for watching this video. Again, I don't like London session. I'm laying in bed recording this video now. I'm going back to sleep. Peace and pips. Talk to you soon.
If you felt a spark here and want to see how these principles can be used in your own trading, go to www.elitetradersuniversity.com/apply to book a free session with our team. We have helped hundreds of people remove the frustration and obstacles in trading to become consistent, highly profitable traders. These are proven principles that just work. Happy pipping!